Now we come to the session management function. We know that whenever the user equipment wants to use the data services of the 5G network, it needs to establish a PDU session with the 5G network. The pipe that we talked about, for example, we can have a PDU session going from this user equipment to this UPF, and then data is going to the data network after flowing through this PDU session. So the establishment and management of this PDU session is done by the session management function. And as a part of this PDU establishment, SMF needs to coordinate with the PCF, and it is the PCF that decides that under the given network circumstances or the network conditions whether this PDU session can be established or with what quality of service this PDU session is established. It is decided by the PCF, and SMF also coordinates with the UPF. First of all, it selects the UPF with which the user equipment establish the PDU session. There may be more than one UPF. And similarly, for the establishment of this PDU session, SMF actively coordinates or interacts with the UPF. And also another very important point is that as a part of this establishment of this PDU session, SMF needs to allocate the IP address or IP addresses to the user equipment. So this allocation is also done by the SMF. And for those of you who are familiar with the LT, the functions of SMF are very similar to the PDN gateway control plane in the LT.